Are you tired of arthritis pain dictating your life? What if I told you some of the most common fruits you probably have in your kitchen right now could be making your joint pain worse? And the last one on my list is the most surprising. Hey everyone, I'm pharmacologist, and for years, I've been diving deep into how food impacts our bodies, especially when it comes to inflammation and joint pain. If you suffer from arthritis or know someone who does, you know how debilitating it can be. Today, we're cutting through the noise and revealing the truth about arthritis pain and the surprising culprits hiding in plain sight, specific fruits that might be fueling your inflammation. Stick around, because understanding this could be a game changer for you. 1. The inflammation connection. So, why are we talking about fruit? I know, fruit is usually hailed as healthy, and generally it is. It's packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. But here's the thing. Not all fruits are created equal when it comes to inflammation, especially for those of us with arthritis. Arthritis is fundamentally an inflammatory condition. So, anything that promotes inflammation in your body can directly worsen your arthritis symptoms. Think stiffness, swelling, and that deep aching pain. And some fruits, due to their specific sugar content and other compounds, can trigger this inflammatory response in certain individuals. It's not about demonizing fruit altogether. It's about being informed and making choices that support your body, not challenge it. We're looking for fruits that are generally lower on the glycemic index and less likely to cause blood sugar spikes, which can also contribute to inflammation. 2. The usual suspects, but not always the worst. Let's start with some fruits that often get a bad rap, but aren't necessarily the worst offenders for everyone. First up, bananas. Bananas are higher in sugar and carbohydrates compared to berries, which can cause a quicker rise in blood sugar. For some people, this spike can contribute to inflammation. If you find your joints ache more after eating a banana, it might be a sign your body isn't happy with it. But they're also packed with potassium, which can be beneficial. Then we have tropical fruits like pineapple and mango. These are delicious, I get it. But they are also quite high in natural sugars. While they contain bromelain in pineapple and other beneficial compounds, the sugar load can be problematic for managing inflammation. Again, moderation is key, and listen to your body. Pause. Now, before we get to the fruits that are truly causing silent inflammation, let me ask you, what's your go-to fruit, and have you ever noticed it affecting your arthritis pain? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear your experiences. 3. The glycemic index and your joints. Okay, let's talk about the glycemic index, or GI. This is a ranking of carbohydrates based on how quickly they raise blood glucose levels. Fruits with a high GI break down rapidly, causing a sharp spike in blood sugar. Think of it like pouring gasoline on a fire. That rapid sugar spike can fan the flames of inflammation throughout your body. For people with arthritis, managing blood sugar is often just as important as managing other inflammatory markers. So, we want to favor fruits that are lower on the GI scale. These are digested more slowly, leading to a gentler rise in blood sugar and less of an inflammatory trigger. Generally, fruits lower on the GI scale tend to be less sweet and often have a higher fiber content, which helps slow down sugar absorption. This is why berries, which we'll get to, are usually a top recommendation. 4. The shockers, fruits you need to watch out for. Alright, here come the fruits that often surprise people. First up, grapes. Yes, grapes. They seem so innocent, right? But a standard serving of grapes can pack a surprising sugar punch. They have a moderate to high GI depending on the variety, and it's easy to eat a lot of them without realizing it. That concentrated sugar load can absolutely contribute to inflammatory responses for arthritis sufferers. Next, and this one might sting for some of you, cherries. Now, I know cherries are often touted for their anti-inflammatory properties, and some studies show benefits, particularly with tart cherries. But the common sweet cherries, especially when eaten in larger quantities or in processed forms like pie or jam, are high in sugar. For many, the sugar content can override the potential anti-inflammatory benefits, leading to a net increase in inflammation. It's a delicate balance, and for some, it's just not worth the risk. And if you thought that was surprising, wait until you hear the last one. It's a fruit many people think is incredibly healthy. 5. The most surprising culprit. Okay, the fruit that catches almost everyone off guard? Oranges and other citrus fruits like grapefruit. Wait, what? Oranges are full of vitamin C, right? Absolutely. But they are also surprisingly high in fructose, a type of sugar. While the vitamin C is fantastic for overall health and can help with tissue repair, the sugar load, especially when consumed as juice, which strips away fiber and concentrates sugar, can be a significant inflammatory trigger for many. The acidity might also bother some people's systems. Think about it. How many oranges does it take to make one glass of juice? A lot. That's a concentrated dose of sugar hitting your bloodstream fast. Even whole oranges, if you eat several, can contribute to that inflammatory cascade. This is why focusing on lower sugar fruits is often a better strategy for managing arthritis pain. It's a tough pill to swallow, I know. But awareness is the first step to taking control. 6. The arthritis-friendly fruit all-stars. So, if we need to be cautious with some fruits, what can you eat? The undisputed champions for arthritis-friendly eating are berries. Think blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries. Why are they so great? A. Lower sugar content. They are significantly lower in sugar compared to many other fruits. B. High in antioxidants. They are loaded with anthocyanins and other powerful antioxidants that actively fight inflammation and protect your cells. C. Fiber power. Their high fiber content slows sugar absorption, preventing those nasty blood sugar spikes. Honestly, I find myself reaching for berries almost daily now. A small handful can satisfy a sweet craving without triggering a pain flare-up. They're versatile. Great in smoothies, on yogurt, or just by the handful. Other good options include avocados, yes, it's a fruit, cherries, in moderation and preferably tart, and apples, especially with the skin on for fiber. But berries are really your safest, most beneficial bet. Section 7. Putting it into practice. So, what does this mean for your daily life? It means being mindful. Instead of grabbing a banana or a handful of grapes when you're hungry, try reaching for a small bowl of mixed berries. If you love orange juice, consider diluting it heavily with water, or better yet, switching to a berry smoothie. Pay attention to how you feel after eating certain fruits. Your body will often give you clues. It's not about deprivation. It's about strategic choices. Empower yourself with this knowledge to make food work for your joints, not against them. If this information has been helpful and you're ready to take more control over your arthritis pain through diet, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more people who need this info. And seriously, I want to hear from you. What fruit are you going to be more mindful of after watching this video? Share it in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in how you feel. For more tips on fighting inflammation and managing joint pain with food, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my next video, where we'll be diving into the best anti-inflammatory spices. See you then?